Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Yes, hi guys, I've got an update for you about Kunle Adeyoju, the Nigerian man that is riding his bike all the way from London down to Lagos, Nigeria. So right now, he is now in Senegal. Yeah, man, go man. Go man. Yes, now the Nigerian man riding on his motorcycle from London to Lagos has been hosted, thank God. After all this journey, somebody hosted him finally. Oh, not like the one he experienced at Mauritania. Thank God that somebody hosted him in Senegal. So somebody hosted him, and who is that person? Is the Nigeria ambassador to Senegal. Yes. So Kunle Adeyoju shared a fine photo of himself shaking hands with the ambassador. So he was also given a gift. Yes, he was also gifted. Somebody should gift him now. He's supposed to be gifted. So he was given a gift. Kunle said it will be hosted by Nigerians in Senegal tonight. Yes. So reacting, one Uremia M said, "Sir, no forget to carry me inside your bag if you dey go back." Carry you inside bag. How come? Maybe you should follow that man that you understand? The man that is already set to go from Lagos to London. That is everything they said. Maybe you Okay, our man Kunle Adeyoju, we are expecting you. Thumbs up, guy. Thumbs up, man. Well done.